Hello society. Me come to address a particular mentality where you see woman wearing her makeup and you start to bash her about natural beauty. Natural beauty me ass. Look on me lip bumpy head. You don't even see the girl when she pass. You not look fair away me dear. For from she don't mix, you don't think she have pretty hair. I saw things going in a yearbook from a girl in a light skin with long hair. Most sound on our look. Yes, you're ready for say we made in a China because we lash, nails, hair, everything fake right through. But you fake to Mr. D. So what about you? You made in a China too? How you mean you don't fake, sir? You come in a milli life as a Christian and you manifest as an abuser. So what you call that, sir? It name makeup. The man them false to my love. Women, you better wake up. When women wear makeup, the world can see it's there. But what about the makeup we can't see that some men wear? Yes, the boy was a murderer, a rapist, a child molester under makeup. But you only saw under the makeup after you guys broke up. Them behave like Cupid on February 14. But you can't find them on November 14. Cause the baby drop in, so Dwayne gone left the scene. Him don't give a fig. Just like when some girl get careless and just back off them wig. Women, wake up. Men do wear makeup. But you like my natural beauty. Lie, man. You're not gonna make me carry myself like some old-time Christian. I'm going to play with colors and shades cause makeup is an art. Don't watch my makeup, watch your dirty heart. Me can wash off my makeup, be time you count 15. But your heart look like all the blood of Jesus, a struggle for wash it clean. You ever see police a lock up woman for wear makeup? You're a scammer, you're not fit talk. Hey boy, back up. Why is it that my fake nails seem fair hurt up your head? Where the illegal firearm, why you hide under the bed? I that you for talk about. And allow me and my lipstick by my mouth. Sweet boy a day and gunman a night. But a my eyelash I give you a big fight. Boy, you bright. All no fun no woman. Wanna do it too. A skin up on the face pan the girl cause she have on tattoo. If God did send her come one, it would be a very sad matter. Because too much I wanna get caught up and miss the message. Too busy I judge the messenger. Not for on a man in a white tie within a corporate job. Uno need to talk about the makeup what uno have. Cause you don't want them see you after work. You 20. Pam back road a Portmore a buy Me not talk ya. A class up Marsha through she wear silicone. Why you do them place ya? 20. You's a married man. Why you don't go home? If people say the real you, them don't believe in a you anymore. No different from a fake face when me do a contour. Look or don't even take out your wife anymore. Talk about, I love your natural look, honey. Cause Brazilian hair expensive and you don't like spend money. Me ignorant for you, Tony. Ewa, leave the woman them alone. Whether them want beat a natural look or a fake. If you did a look past the outward, you wouldn't make so much mistake. Every woman look good, makeup or not. You're looking fabulous, my sister. And if your face want be stubborn, good girl, just use a filter. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandrama.